The job of the King's Fund is to challenge government thinking in healthcare policy. It's just produced a report on leadership in the NHS. The conclusion: there needs to be more curiosity, more courage and more clarity. Dean Fathers runs the Centre for Health Enterprise at City University and joins me now. Dean, what does that conclusion mean?
I think if you put the changes in the NHS into context first, the 2012 Health and Social Care Act has required the whole of the NHS to look at itself, and it started now to understand that it's a complex system. Complex systems need leading differently to organisations, and as a result the King's Fund paper has basically identified the fact that the behaviours associated with leadership in the NHS historically are no longer fit for purpose. What we need is a new way of thinking, a new way of acting, and we need a new way of behaving.
So presumably these are not qualities that are, well, really unique to the health service that are needed?
No, in fact the research has actually been taken from a meta-study of organisational thinking that spans all organisations. So certainly this isn't unique to the NHS. I think what we need to do is draw those lessons into the NHS. Research shows that the NHS is very strongly associated with a particular type of leadership, and that type of leadership needs to be challenged and new leadership thinking brought in to replace it. Yes,
because that begs a slightly difficult question. What does this report essentially say about current management in the NHS?
I think we've been used to seeing leaders within the NHS come through traditional silos, through the hierarchy, demonstrating that they understand how the system works, but from a very particular NHS perspective. I think what we need to do is have a much more diverse workforce. We need to think about how we introduce new thinking, we need to introduce new ideas, but we also need to think about how we actually think outside of the organisational form and how we actually interrelate with other organisations, share best practice and bring new ideas in to innovate and create the momentum for change.
Dean Fathers, thank you.
Thank you.